Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best female urination devices 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best female urination devices 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Freshette Sports and Travel Female Urinary Device is the perfect solution for women on the go. Whether you're camping, hiking, traveling, or simply dealing with public restrooms, this reusable and portable female urinal allows you to pee standing up with ease and comfort. Made from durable HDPE plastic, it's built to last and withstand rugged outdoor conditions. The design is discreet, compact, and easy to carry, making it ideal for any adventure. The ergonomic funnel shape ensures a spill-free experience, providing a hygienic and convenient option when traditional facilities aren't available. It's an essential tool for active women who value independence and practicality. Easy to clean and reusable, the Freshette device is a reliable companion for sports enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone needing a quick, efficient solution in outdoor or emergency situations. With its strong, high-quality construction, you can rely on the Freshette to make life a little easier, no matter where you are. Number 2. The female urinal is a game changer for women who want the freedom to pee standing up, whether indoors or outdoors. Made from soft, flexible, and durable silicone, this reusable funnel is designed for comfort and ease of use. Its foolproof design ensures a leak-proof experience, allowing women to confidently go wherever they need without the hassle of finding a restroom. Perfect for travel, camping, festivals, or even home use, it's the ideal companion for anyone who needs a convenient and hygienic solution. The ergonomic shape fits comfortably against the body, and the silicone material is easy to clean and maintain, making it both practical and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of squatting or searching for a restroom in emergencies. This portable urinal provides a hygienic, discreet, and reliable option for women on the go. Whether you are on an adventure or simply want a more comfortable solution at home, this female urinal is a must-have accessory. Number 3. The Tinkle Bell Female Urination Device offers a discreet and convenient solution for women on the go. Designed for ease and comfort, this portable urinal allows you to stand and pee without needing to remove your clothing, making it perfect for outdoor activities, road trips, or public restrooms where sanitation is a concern. Its compact and lightweight design fits easily in your bag, ready for use whenever you need it. Made from durable, leak-proof material, the Tinkle Bell ensures a mess-free experience, offering reliability and convenience. It comes with a protective case for hygienic storage and easy access. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, this device provides a practical and hygienic way to relieve yourself without the discomfort or worry of finding a proper restroom. The Tinkle Bell is the ultimate solution for women who value both comfort and convenience while maintaining full privacy and cleanliness. Stay confident, stay clothed, and stay on the move with Tinkle Bell. Number 4. The Venus to Mars Female Urinal is a must-have for women on the go, offering a convenient and discreet solution for urination during outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, traveling, attending festivals, or stuck in a long car ride, this female urination device ensures you stay comfortable and hygienic without the need for a traditional restroom. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use and clean, while its lightweight, compact form fits effortlessly in your bag or camping gear. Made from durable, eco-friendly materials, the Venus to Mars pee funnel is designed for multiple uses and will withstand the elements. Ideal for any outdoor activity, it eliminates the need for unhygienic public restrooms or inconvenient stops, letting you enjoy your adventure without worry. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding a bathroom, and hello to the freedom of urinating on your terms with the Venus to Mars Female Urinal. Perfect for camping, travel, festivals, and more. Number 5. The reusable female urination device is a game changer for women who enjoy outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, or long road trips. Designed with convenience and comfort in mind, this silicone pee funnel allows women to pee standing up, providing a hygienic and discreet solution for nature calls in the wild. Made from soft, flexible, and durable silicone, it ensures a secure fit while being gentle on the skin. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this female urinal offers ultimate freedom and ease, eliminating the need to squat or find secluded spots. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, fitting neatly into your bag or camping gear. Whether you are at a music festival, on a long hike, or traveling in remote areas, this reusable funnel will become your new best friend. Eco-friendly and easy to clean, simply rinse with water after use, and it's ready for the next adventure. Its leak-proof design and secure seal ensure no mess, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. The female urination device is the perfect companion for women who want to stay comfortable and confident while exploring the great outdoors. Say goodbye to inconvenient bathroom breaks and hello to more freedom and fun.